everything. She was such a blessing, but from day to day, she would change her ways. Give me her love, then she'd take it away, take it away, take it away. Just like the Reaper, thought she was the one for me, turned out she was.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on my conch piercing. I've been in a journey and I've been obsessed, I want to say, getting my ears pierced. Ever since I took these piercings off, you guys follow me from a long time ago, I had these two pierced and then I decided that I had outgrown them. Well, not really, but I started getting my lip injections and then I was like, you know what? I don't need that in my face. So then I ended up getting a second nose piercing because I was like, okay, I don't have these piercings here, so let me go ahead and get another nose piercing. So I have two nose piercings. I don't know, I'm going crazy, I guess. And then so I decided to start getting my ears pierced, and I feel like it's like a masterpiece that I want to get done. So right now I've been getting my ears pierced, and as you guys can see, I have 7 ear piercings already. I recently got my conch pierced from both ears. Don't hate me guys, because the closest to me and something that is familiar with me, and I know it's wrong because I recently started watching piercing videos to get information before I got my conch pierced. You're not supposed to get piercings with the gun. Okay, I remember my first piercing when I was a baby was my mom, you know, let my grandma pierce my ears. I don't even know how she did that. Then I started going to get them done at a jewelry store, and they do it with a gun. So all the piercings I have been done with the gun except the conch. So I do have a friend, his name is Downey Ruiz. I did blog it a little bit so you guys can see. He did he's a professional piercer. So I did ask him, you know what, I want to get my conch pierced, you know, I want to go to you, because I was really scared to go see him because I've been getting my ears pierced with the gun and I know he was going to get mad at me for doing that. So I want to take you guys with me so you guys can kind of see a little bit. I will link all his information in the bottom bar so you guys are interested in getting something pierced or tattoo, because he owns a tattoo shop. He's amazing. He's funny as hell, you guys. And yeah, so he did pierce my conch on both ears. I know a lot of people are going to ask me, did it hurt? Because honestly, when I decided that I was going to get this pierced, I was looking up videos and I was trying to figure out if it hurt or not, because honestly, I feel more comfortable getting piercings with the gun because I feel like it's a quick thing and then you're done. But I didn't know that it was so damaging because of the cartilage that we have. I really didn't know, and now that I've done my, you know, research a little bit, now I'm kind of like, girl, what the hell have you been doing? And then, you know, I don't want daddy to kick my butt. So he did pierce it and everything, so I'm letting it heal. I am planning to change it once it heals really good, because still it hurts. It's really hard for me to fall asleep in any of my ears. I have to sleep on my back, and I hate sleeping on my back, to be honest. So he pierced this one first. You're gonna see in the video it didn't hurt. Honestly, I was like, it wasn't that bad. When he pierced this one, it hurt a lot more. So like I told him joking around, I was like, if you were to have pierced this one and it hurt it, I wouldn't have got the second one, because it really did hurt. So it's been Saturday. It's only been 6 days since I got my piercing. 5-6 days since I got the piercing, and it's still kind of like sore a little bit. So I'm trying to keep it clean and take care of it, because I don't want to get any oh my god, I forgot what it's called, and I've been having issues about it. Keloids. I don't want to get any keloids, because this ear always ends up getting keloids. So this piercing right here has been pierced 3 times. This top one, this is the second time I've gotten pierced, because when I was younger I got them pierced and then it hurt so much and I was uncomfortable, so I took them out. Now that I was older, I decided to go get back and get them done again. So this one got keloids twice, and like I said, I really didn't do my research, and I ended up messing with it, cut it myself and let it bleed. Great. Sorry, I forgot to put my foot on mute. And ended up taking the keloid off myself. This one I got it done as well with the gun. I forgot the names of it, but you guys know. I'll put the information in the bottom of each name because I forget. This one I got it done with the gun. Then I decided, I was like, oh, you know what, I hate it always getting lost, so I was thinking of putting a earring in there. and then I infected it, and then it got a keloid, so I had to take care of that as well. So it's I'm really afraid of getting any keloids on these piercings that I recently got, so I'm trying to keep them clean. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna let you guys go ahead and see the video. If you guys are interested, I will link all his information and his shop down below. If you guys are interested, let him know that I sent you guys and that you guys saw my video and that you guys saw him on my video. So yeah, so thank you guys again for watching. I love you guys so much. Oh yeah, before I forget, I would say the pain was an 8 from a 10 to me, at least. And I'm good at pain because I've gone through a lot, but it hurt. It hurt, but it's nothing that you cannot take. I mean, I hope it's worth it. So anyways, I love you guys and keep on watching.
My name is Danny, Mr. Prick, they call me. This is my tattoo shop. Basically, if you want to come here, you can look us up at Richink Tattoo, Instagram, Facebook, or anything like that. Our phone number here is 818-926-0148 or 818-670-8577.